English sentences for speaking practice na may Tagalog translation. I left a note for Arlene. I left a note for Arlene. Nag-iwan ako ng note para kay Arlene. I saved a seat for Marian. I saved a seat for Marian. Nag-save ako ng upuan para kay Marian. I'm looking for a gift for my boss. I'm looking for a gift for my boss. Naghahanap ako ng regalo para sa amo ko. I brought lunch for my colleague. I brought lunch for my colleague. Nagdala ako ng tanghalian para sa katrabaho ko. This is for Eric. This is for Eric. Para kay Eric to. I booked a ticket for Fräulein. I booked a ticket for Fräulein. Nagbook ako ng ticket para kay Fräulein. Mac prepared breakfast for Jess. Mac prepared breakfast for Jess. Naghanda ng almusal si Mac para kay Jess. I have a surprise for Melanie. I have a surprise for Melanie. May sorpresa ako para kay Melanie. We cooked bulalo for Louise. We cooked bulalo for Louise. Nagluto kami ng bulalo para kay Luis. I bought this belt for Julius. I bought this belt for Julius. Binili ko ang sinturong to para kay Julius. I baked some cookies for Grandpa. I baked some cookies for Grandpa. Nag-bake ako ng cookies para kay Lolo. That motorbike is for Dad. That motorbike is for Dad. Para kay tatay ang motor na yon. I had a tasty meal cooked for Ninong Anthony. I had a tasty meal cooked for Ninong Anthony. Nagpaluto ako ng masarap na ulam para kay Ninong Anthony. We're preparing a party for Jane. We're preparing a party for Jane. Naghahanda kami ng party para kay Jane. I made a card for Manny. I made a card for Manny. May ginawa akong card para kay Manny. Kiko made a list for Kathy. Kiko made a list for Kathy. Gumawa ng listahan si Kiko para kay Kathy. He has a message for Fred. He has a message for Fred. May mensahe siya para kay Fred. We're looking for an apartment for Aunt Abby. We're looking for an apartment for Aunt Abby. Naghahanap kami ng apartment para kay Tita Abby. This invitation is for Maricar. This invitation is for Maricar. Para kay Maricar ang imbitasyong to. I ordered pizza for Kuya Arthur. I ordered pizza for Kuya Arthur. Nag-order ako ng pizza para kay Kuya Arthur. I brought some fruits for John. I brought some fruits for John. May dala akong prutas para kay John. I sent money for Ate Sally. I sent money for Ate Sally. Nagpadala ako ng pera para kay Ate Sally. I had someone pick up medicine for Grandma. I had someone pick up medicine for Grandma. Nagpabili ako ng gamot para kay Lola. I bought this for Imelda. I bought this for Imelda. Binili ko to para kay Imelda. Emmy sent some flowers for G. Emmy sent some flowers for G. Nagpadala ng mga bulaklak si Emmy para kay G. I delivered snacks for Ram. I delivered snacks for Ram. Naghatid ako ng merienda para kay Ram. I asked help for Julia. I asked help for Julia. Humingi ako ng tulong para kay Julia. There's food on the table for Ahmed. There's food on the table for Ahmed. May pagkain sa mesa para kay Ahmed. This dessert is for Sam. This dessert is for Sam. Para kay Sam ang panghimagas na to. I'm saving money for Diana. I'm saving money for Diana. Nag-iipon ako ng pera para kay Diana.